Hey everyone, today I will be reviewing the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch electric can opener. I got this can opener for my wife after she got aggravated with the manual type, so we picked this up on Amazon. This electric can opener cuts along the side and it eliminates sharp lid edges. I don't know if you've ever seen some can openers where the way it opens it makes it kind of a hazard because it exposes the sharp edges on the can. This is the total opposite. It's very nice and you don't have to worry about cutting your fingers. So basically, to open up a can of vegetables, I will demonstrate here. I will not actually open it because we're not ready for these green beans right now. But basically put it up to the blade, press down on the handle, and it will automatically start turning. Keep your hand on the can, however, because you don't want it to fall. Once it gets done, you can just lift the lid right off the can without any sharp edges. So if you're looking for a great quality can opener, I definitely recommend you checking this out. It's definitely a premium product and we have been very satisfied with it.